What's up guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to download Among Us on PC. The Among Us game can be downloaded on an Android device, but if you want to have it on your PC, you'll need to open your web browser in order to have an Android simulator. So on your web browser, search for bluestacks.com and it's going to take you to this website. Go ahead and make your download, and once you install BlueStacks, you can open the app up. Now once you open your BlueStacks app player, you're going to need to navigate to your Play Store. You're going to click on System Apps right here, and then you can see My Play Store. Do take note that you will need to log on into your Play Store account in order to have an access to what's on the Play Store. So go ahead and open it, and now on the App Store, you're going to search for Among Us. And as you can see, we already have it installed. In your case, you'll simply need to click on the install button. So we can go ahead and click on play after installing it. And as you can see, we have the Among Us app right here. So this is how to download Among Us app on PC.